Hi friends, welcome back to the again new video series on Cursor AI. So in this video, I'm going to tell what actually the Cursor AI and what is the best way to install and use it into our system. There are certain way by which we can make use of this Cursor AI as a free version. Cursor provides different types of the versions like the free version, pro versions and others. Based on your requirement, you can be able to use it. This is the official website for the Cursor AI, cursor.com. And if you open the docs for the Cursor, you will get this page. So what actually this Cursor is and how it is going to do the work for you. So Cursor is nothing, but it is an AI editor with the coding agent, which will do all your work based on your prompts. So whatever the instructions you will give to the Cursor, it will start work based on your input. Okay. So Cursor is having different supports for the models. If you see over here, from the Gemini to the Claude and GPT also it's supported. Now what you are going to do, first of all, you need to install it. Okay. So how to install it? If you click on this quick start, you can see here download section and it is saying the download Cursor. Now by default, it will be detected based on your operating system. So in my case, Mac is there, so Mac is getting selected. If you click on this one, your download will start. And if you see here, cursor is getting downloaded, which is of the 237 MB. So this is the first step, how we can use it. So first you need to open the official website of the Cursor AI and then you have to download the package based on your operating system. And then you have to install it. Once your package will be successfully downloaded to your machine like this, what you have to do, you have to browse it and to install it, you just simply double click on this. Okay, what it is saying, you have to drag this to your application folders. This is for the case of the Mac. In Windows and others operating system like Linux, you have to install it by double clicking on that. Now it is present into the application. I will double click on this and here you can see I'm getting some pop-up like this one. So click on the open cursor notification. It is coming like this. Now the next step, it will ask you to sign up or the login. So I will start using by sign up. Okay. Continue to sign in. I will choose this Google option. If Gmail is already open, it will auto detect and it will ask your permission. You can give it. Okay. Now customize your experience. How do you plan to use this? So I'm using for myself. Which role? Based on your role, you can just choose it, or maybe later also you can select. I'm selecting, and then you will continue. So in this video, I'm going to show you what are the pro plans available. If you click on this continue, it will list you all the pro plans available. Cursor Pro for $20 per month. Okay. And it will come like this one. Now, as you know, I don't want to make use of this pro version now. First, we will see how the cursor is behaving into the normal version, and then we can make use of that into our coding. I will do it later. Login, open cursor. Okay. So here the cursor, when you are opening first time, it will ask you whether you want to import from the VS Code some setting preferences. If not, you just simply Click on continue. Continue. And here you can see it is the more or less the feeling will be like the VS Code itself. Very first time it will ask you that whether you want to open a new project or you want to create a project. So we will create a new project by selecting this option. So I'm clicking on this one. Where you want to click, I will leave the default location. Okay. So now you can see at my screen, this is the Cursor AI. Okay.